Now I calculate remaining principal of the loan at the end of each year. Active cell reference G8. I will add the initial amount of the loan to the cumulative principal payment of the loan. This is the initial amount of the loan. This amount has positive value because money is coming to the company or company received this money. But the value in cell reference F8 is negative because company spent this money to be repaid amount of the loan or money is leaving the company. In column F, there are principal payments of 10 years. These amounts of each year reduce the remaining principal of each year. Enter equal sign. Select the cell reference D5 that contains amount of the initial loan. Enter addition operator. Click cell reference F8 that contains amount of principal payment. This amount is called cumulative principal of the first year. Now press enter key. Formula returns $60,346.11 in this cell. This amount is called amount of the loan remaining to be paid after the first year, or this is the remaining principal amount at the end of first year. To calculate remaining principal at the end of second year, active cell reference G9. Enter equal sign. Add the remaining principal of first year to the principal payment of second year. Click this cell reference. Enter addition operator. Click this cell reference. Press enter key. Excel returns $55,355.79 in this cell. After subtracting the value of principal payment of second year to the value of remaining principal of first year, this is negative value. As a result, Excel subtract this value to remaining principal value. This is remaining principal amount at the end of second year. Now I calculate the remaining principal of the loan at the end of the next 8 years. Copy and paste the formula in other cells. Again active this cell. Press mouse and drag to this cell. Active cell reference G16. This is remaining principal amount at the end of 9th year. Active cell reference G17. The remaining principal amount is 0 at the end of 10th year. Because loan is completely repaid at the end of 10th year. Now I calculate the sum of cumulative interest payments of 10 years. Active cell reference I8. Enter equal sign. Type sum function. Open bracket. Select the cell references range. Close bracket. Press enter key. So total interest payment of 10 years is $25,564.61. Company will spend $25,564.61 interest payment to repay loan. Now I calculate the sum of cumulative principal payments of 10 years. Active this cell, enter equal sign, type sum function. Open bracket, select this cell references range, close bracket, press enter key. So total principal payment of 10 years is $65,000. This value is matched with the value of initial amount of the loan. This verifies that the calculations on loan are correct.